Hey guys, welcome to You Can Fix Anything. Today we're going to be wiring up a wiring harness for IS300. This is for a non-amp bypass. So we're going to be using the factory amp, just going from our radio to the onboard amp. So I've already started doing a little bit of wiring, but it's not overly complicated here. Basically what we're doing is the wiring harness, the TYT01, comes with some instructions. We're starting with this one from the 16 pin harness. It's going to be this one. It's telling us what to wire up. Now, if I look, here's my what I bought. It's got a wiring diagram here, and if I look at the colors, I see that they're exactly the same as what it is here. So I'm just wiring the colors together basically. So white to white, white and black to white and black, gray to gray, gray and black to gray and black. All right, so I'm gonna do that one next. So I'm gonna take this gray and black wire. Okay, pull off the pin on the top. All right, and then this gray and black wire, I just already stripped it with, it's a 2220. Then easy thing here is just to wrap them around. Okay, tighten them up nice and tight. Take my soldering gun and put it under here. Heat up and put some solder on it once it gets warm. Takes a second to get warm. Come on, there we go. You can see it's nice and distributing the solder very nicely there. And so I'm just going to go like this until I've wired up all the ones that it's indicated on that first sheet. So these ones here. And then once that's done, I'll move on to the next bit, which is for the other harness here. And I'm going to wire these in also to the radio harness. Okay. So that's the idea, just going through them all, and it's pretty straightforward, except for there's one here, the blue to the antenna wire. Your car probably doesn't have an antenna wire. It's really old, so you're probably not going to have a blue thing coming off your stereo anyway, so you can just skip that one. Okay, so here's the finished soldered product. You can see each color, orange, black, red, yellow. Each goes to their respective color. Blue, purple, purple and black. For the IS300, there's no, I don't have like a backup camera or something, so I don't think I'm going to be using the reverse cable here. And this is the parking brake one, which I also don't think I'm going to be using. And this is for the like for a retractable antenna. This is the switch for that, which I don't have that either. So those ones will be left. And then this is going to go to our main plug, and these are going to go to that black box that came with the TYTO. What's the model here? Yeah, the TYTO one, that black box there. So, yeah, so gonna hook that all up. These are all soldered and taped. So, yeah, see how that all works out. So we removed the card deck. I'm going to take the old mounting bracket off and put on the new one. Okay guys, I have installed this Pioneer deck. This one has a little like phone mount that you can stick in and that becomes the display. I could have put it here at the upper DIN slot, but I wanted it at the lower one so it didn't cover up all the buttons and stuff. So I put it there. I had to actually drill holes to get this pocket to fit. So I had to drill a hole here and put this screw in. Same on the other side. But other than that, it fits okay. And with this radio, it comes with this sort of thing on it. So you just got to take that off. And it comes also with this. Just remove those because they don't fit. But once you get all that off, it fits in there. And this looks pretty good. Stick my phone in here at some point. It spins. So yeah, I'll stick that back in the car, screw it back in, wire it back up, and we'll be almost done. Last thing will be, before I do that, I'll have to find a good place to put this mic. But yeah, other than that, it's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm going to install the new deck into, well, put it back in place. You can see these are the wires that I've all spliced and put together. I've just kind of stuck it back here. Here's the converter box thing, and tried to shove it in the back there so I can fit it all. Then I'm going to yeah, stick the new deck in. There's just the one plug. This is the only plug that this is going to plug into my radio. And then I plugged the white one. This is the one that was coming from the car that I plugged in to this harness. Then these are just going back to the climate control. And yeah, that's about it. I guess I also am going to wire up this microphone, put it somewhere. Probably just have it come up through here and find a place for it. Maybe stick it over here or something. But I can deal with that later. I just need to have it come out. So yeah, that's kind of the plan. Okay, so I rigged it all back together. Last piece here goes up there. I'll stick that in, but there it is. And if I want the phone holder, just pull this out, stick it there, put it back on. There you go. That's it. And I got the mic up there. I'll put that somewhere later. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Hey guys, here's the finished deck. I would play music, but it won't let me do it and use my phone at the same time. Here, maybe we can hear some. There, you can hear the static. So you can see that that's functioning. And then it connects to the phone. You know, you can set your phone in here, and it's kind of got a cool interface. So I'm pretty pleased with the overall turnout. I put the mic up there. Now again, this is a non-amp bypass, so I'm using the amp that is in the car. And you may ask yourself, you know, why would I not do a amp bypass where I just run the wires directly from this device to the speakers? And in this car, apparently the rear speakers in the back here are 2 ohms each. So your deck's not going to be able to effectively play those. So instead of replacing that
and then and you also have to run the wires like from over here and then up and around. It's a little bit more of a hassle. So I figured it was just cheaper and easier to do it this way. And also, these are pretty good speakers in here. I think I like them. JBL's, I think, is the system, JBL system. So anyway, that's about it. I do like this deck quite a lot. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, so far so good. I like it. And yeah, everything worked great. Pretty easy install.
Thanks for watching. If you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.